Today, I just want to talk to you about why a plant-based diet is so good for weight loss. It's really effective because foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are lower in calories than processed foods and animal products, which means you can eat larger portions of plant foods without consuming too many calories and fat and other things that are added into most foods. In fact, when you eat a whole foods plant-based diet, you literally need to eat more in order to feel full. The reason is because fruits and vegetables are water soluble, so they are digested quicker. And because of the water, they remove toxins as food moves through your body and digested quickly through your body. While vegetables can take a bit longer to digest than fruit, foods like lettuce, cucumbers, peppers, tomatoes, and other vegetables containing a lot of water will need just around 30 minutes to leave your stomach. Yet meat can take up to 2 days to be fully digested, while fruits and vegetables together only take up to about 24 hours. That's why one of the best detox methods is a plant-based diet, particularly a raw or living plant-based diet, which consists of raw food. You can eat food and detox at the same time. Yes, I'm not talking about eating crudité, although that's a good idea for a snack, but about food that is not cooked at a temperature above 48 degrees Celsius or 118 degrees Fahrenheit. A raw vegan diet includes vegetables that are raw and fruits, nuts, nut paste, grain and legume, sprouts, seeds, some plant oils, seed vegetables, herbs, mushrooms, and fresh juices. Although I find a raw vegan diet the best type of lifestyle, it takes a major learning curve where preparation is concerned. But once you get the hang of it, a raw diet has significantly proven to improve one's health, or you can do what I did in the beginning and sign up for a meal plan, which back then, before meal planning services existed, meant buying several days' worth of meals at once. Fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens not only contain sustainable amounts of carbohydrates, protein, and fat, they are also optimum for human health. But they need to be prepared differently than the boiling, sautéing, and blanching that is typical to a standard diet. Let's take sprouting as an example. This is a great preparation method in raw food. Sprouting amps up the nutrients in plants like broccoli, which is already a nutrient powerhouse. When sprouted, it's an amazing source of vitamin K, much more than regular broccoli without the seeds. Sprouted foods contain seeds, and they contain something called sulforaphane, which is great for fighting cancer and diabetic growth. Although eating a raw living diet is not something I do all the time now, I do eat it a few times a year as a reset to my system, which has major results. When I started out eating plant-based, I began on a raw vegan diet. My goal was to rid my body of tumors, which did happen in spite of the physician I was seeing at the time telling me that only surgery would do it. But there were many more unexpected results, one of which was rapid weight loss. I lost 35 pounds in 3 months, and at the time, I was only focused on my food, so no exercise was included then, not like now. But the weight loss was strictly due to live, raw vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, etc. And they were prepared using raw culinary methods like soaking beans and grains in water and sprouted rather than whole grains, drying or dehydrating fruits, which is so delicious, and vegetables. And so this is effective and one of my favorites. And so is juicing fruits, vegetables, and making smoothies. And so those are just a few culinary tips, but a plant-based diet is the most effective way to lose weight fast and the best way to improve health and prevent disease. However, it's a journey, which often includes deciphering information that is inconsistent and coming from many sources that often have agendas which don't line up with the science or understanding that the human body was made to heal itself, and it will do just that when it's given what makes it thrive. Ultra-processed and overly heating food removes their natural nutrients, literally killing the nutrients. So an entirely cooked plant-based diet will not cut it, pun intended, when you want major results like I had, but it can be a place to start as an on-ramp to a better diet. To heal and find your ultimate weight, optimally prepared plant foods need to be a major part of any regimen. There's no getting around it. Anything else is just spinning your wheels. So eat plants and you will crush your goals.